Hey guys, it's Arslan here, and in this video I'm going to share with you what's happening with the world and what you should be doing. I've been saying it for a while. If you watch all the videos that I've been uploading on market update, right here, all these quick updates, they are 15 seconds clip, but they are already showing you what's happening. And I already said that yesterday. Look at this. Look at the drawing, there it goes right now. Watch it. And I was expecting a down move anyways because the markets were weak, and all the videos, they are more Bitcoin updates, and I was saying, look guys, there's no momentum in bulls. Okay, I am the bull long term. Okay, but when it comes to the reality, there was not momentum. Bulls were showing weakness. It's the war, it's an excuse in my opinion, because it's already showing a lot of weakness. And just get in the channel, because if you subscribe, you get daily 15-second to 60-second updates as well, rather than watching this long video where the more information is given. So what's happening? Russia attacked Ukraine last night, which causing a huge crash in stock market. Okay, this is one of the worst crashes we have seen in stock market, non-stop. It seems not much, but for stock market, it's a billions and billions of dollars just going vanishing. Okay, right here. It's been crashing, and now it created a lower low. I've said that many times, that if we break this low on stock market, then that's game over. That's game over for stocks and for everything. And even UK stock market has been very strong. Look at this. It was here yesterday, right up here, very close to the all-time high. But look at this, what happened. It's huge fear right now, and everything dropping. NFTs, like you name the market except gold and oil, gas, everything is crashing. Look at this. So market is opening in 2 hours. The pre-market is already dropping hard. I don't know, most of you probably understand or not, but the prices are gonna open in big gap because people are already afraid. They are already selling into low liquidity. Look at this. That's Facebook stock, and it's crashing. It's keep dropping. No, everyone thought, okay, this is a big enough drop, let's buy it. These markets, it close up here, it's gonna open from here. I don't know how low it can go from here. And these are good company stock, because I have put that in my watch list. I saw this stock. The bad stocks are already down 60, 70, 80%. They are doing so bad right now, guys. I don't know what's going to happen with the world and the stock market, how low it's going to crash, and it's going to take all the markets with it. Right now, stock markets is actually closed. These are futures charts, and people are shorting it, means sentiments are bearish and all that. And we will see what happens when the actual stock market opens, and how people, the investors, hedge fund, everyone is going to react. This is going to be a crazy day today. Okay, they already markets start dropping well before the market open, and a lot. It's already 2.37% down, and that's so much. Yesterday stock market was so red and everything. It was only down 1.8. 2.4 is for S&P 500 index. That's trillions of dollars, right? So the point here is what you do now. Okay, that's Bitcoin chart weekly. We have seen this. We already talked about this, that when this weekly closed, we had a mini retest, and we are waiting for further drops. What I was myself waiting for is low break of this area and go retest around 30,000 area zone, which will be potentially a good area to play a bounce back. With this fear, I'm very cautious, and I would really like to see a further drop into these lows. Break this low, take all the stop losses of people that were taking these trades here and putting stop loss here for bigger move up. So I want all those taken out. It could just do that, but it depends. But right now things are very hot when it comes to the war, and I don't think it's just gonna move around like that. There's too much fear. NFTs tend to hold very well. The market is dipping. They are crashing as well. So yeah, right now I'm just waiting. If it holds this area, I might look to get in, but I'm ultimately waiting. If this breaks, that's game over for Bitcoin as well. We could see a big sharp drops, and this is what I'm actually waiting for. Sharp drops, because what happens when you have elastic, I already explained this. If you stretch it too much, it goes back the fastest. So that's what happens when the market sharply drops. There are not enough sell orders sitting up here anymore, because people already filled those orders, and it's easy for market to retrace quickly back up. And this is kind of thing what I'm waiting for at the moment. I think many bulls are hoping this does not break. If it breaks, they're gonna give it up. This is what I would do if I was in a trade or anything like that. But yeah, let's see what daily chart is saying. I've mentioned many times, a trend line break does not mean the market is bullish again. You gotta understand this. Like here, we saw trend line break, but when we saw this sharp move down, broke this low, that was game finished. Because I said bulls should not be that weak to just let it break, and then 2 days there didn't do anything and then broke down, and we already broke this low. It's overall, I really like this setup, okay, but when it comes to how the sentiments are, I'm not taking it. Otherwise I would definitely will start scaling in some money in this to play a swing move up, but no, not right now. It's everyone's choice. I'm not gonna put my cash in risk because I'm mostly in cash, so I'm not going to put my cash in the risk of this. And things are crazy. I don't even know what exactly to say, because everywhere is just so much blood. Everyone is so much fear right now. Look at this. We have huge volume coming in when Bitcoin was had a sharp move. It wants to go up. It can't. There's clear downtrend. All right, there's clear downtrend. Those who are buying, they are speculating. Right here we have a very clear downtrend. There's no clear structure. For bullish trend, we need to go a level leg low and then break this lower high. It's a very mini lower high, and then from here high. Then we need to break that finally to see move up. Like there's a process, guys. You can't just say it's gonna be a sport and it's definitely going to go up from here. No, there's a process. There's a trend change. This was a good hope because it held so well here when the stock market was dipping, but as soon as it broke this low, it was right here when it started getting a lot of volume, and then boom, sharp move down, because this is where the bulls gave up, in my opinion. When it broke this low, they had last hope, because this was a good demand zone right here, and I don't think so there is a much hope at the moment, but we'll see what happens. I'll just remove this. Lower time frame, we had sharp volume coming in. Let me see if other exchange got the volume too. I think that volume came because there was small pause in the drop on 1 hour right here in S&P 500. Same thing, S&P 500, but S&P 500 is much weaker. It's breaking again down, and if it breaks this low, you see this 34,000 breaking as well. And I'm really waiting for something sharp coming in so I can start playing some kind of bounce or something, because I want to wait what happens when the stock market really opens in 2 hours. So do subscribe to the channel, guys, if you like this video, and make sure follow my project. So this is going to be my project, which I'm launching a alpha launchpad group where I'll be. So it's a free mint, guys. That's the thing. I'm not promising anything, but I will be trying to deliver, under promise and over deliver. So that's the goal right here. Free mint. I'm putting all the money, whatever it's gonna cost, from pocket. So no one have any doubt or complaint. But it will be very selective. Okay, whitelisted. So you need to be getting in Discord. Discord will be not available all the time for public, so it will be very selective. There will be few invites that'll come. Go follow it. The links are going to be in description, and when it comes to our Discord, the links are going to be in description as well, guys. I've been sharing there, so news, everything is going much quicker there. There's a lot of conversation going on, what's happening, and take early action and stuff like that, guys. If you want to stay updated, that's the place. And my Twitter links are going to be in description. But all I'm saying is, have patience, do not rush into it. If you've been watching my video, you probably know I've been sitting in cash, and I've been saying for long term, I want to buy when we have these major lows taken out, these major lows, because if the market was strong enough, it shouldn't have break this, shouldn't have just fake out twice up here. There's a reason why market does something, and I'm really waiting for these lows to be taken, and then from here I'll start accumulating down here for long term. And I don't know how low the market can go, no one knows, but I will start accumulating when we have some kind of move down from here, or some kind of consolidation for a few months. I think there's too much fear, but the thing is, gold is going up, oil gas is going up, crypto is not backed by any when it comes to economy, any country, so it shouldn't be like that. It's just the fear that is dropping it, nothing much. I think we still have a very strong hope from Bitcoin. It's doing much better than, I mean, it should have been doing better than this, but it's still not bad, guys. It's still not bad. It's down 5%. It could have done worse. I think Bitcoin is trying to hold. As soon as there's a small pause in S&P 500, Bitcoin holds very well. It's just the fear that dropping it. I think smart money is maybe accumulating it, but I don't own billions, so for me, I'll wait for the price that I'm waiting for. I waited for so long there. I'll give it a little bit more time because I don't mind missing out. Okay, that's the thing I have. I don't want to FOMO in, and we're already seeing small move coming down, kind of breaking, because there's nothing special going on here. There's no strength coming from bull. No one wants to be bull here, okay, because we are just breaking down this into lower low. We have a clear downtrend formed in stock market right here, clear downtrend form. And now if we don't strongly recover and hold this area and start going up, otherwise it's done, game over. Let's see how alts are doing. When it comes to Ethereum it went to supply zone, double top, and then boom. I don't trade tops or anything like that, just for reference. If it breaks this low, expecting another 1800 zone to 1800 zone. If we break 2160, if we have a Bitcoin going into 30s as well, 32, 29, like that, we can see this down here as well. So this is what I'm currently waiting for. Sol even dipped below this. It's coming to demand zone, which I waited here but never came, and yeah, it bounced from there. But that's fine, it's coming, but I'll wait for this area most probably, because this is much better area than this one when it comes to long term. I believe if we have a price holding and then slightly coming in this area and consolidate, this is going to be very good zone to accumulate SOL, which is $20 to $50 zone. But yeah, look at where it came from, guys. I've been saying in my last videos as well, you don't need to rush. The markets are in downtrend. Right here, if you see, we have a clear downtrend. There's very clear downtrends. You don't need to rush into the markets. Look at this ADA, clear downtrend. There's clear downtrend. There's nothing bullish when it comes to these coins right now. I don't know why I have this, but yeah, we have a major these key levels broken as well, and then retested and then broken as well. Now even more clear. So I'm waiting for this kind of 40 to 50 cents for ADA, this zone. It just needs to hold some area. If it just keep dropping from here to here, I mean, then I'll be all in. I don't think so. It's just gonna keep dropping. It's gonna have some bounces like this in the middle, but we'll see what happens with that. When it comes to AVAX, still holding very well, but if AVAX loses $50, then it's gonna probably drop much lower, 35 to 25 zone. I'm giving you big long-term pictures. Okay, if Bitcoin breaks 30,000, 29,000, then this will be happen. FTM, it was in huge hype back just a few months ago. We are sitting at very good demand zone when it comes to FTX, very good zone to play to buy, but it's just the market is not right, and there's people look this as a double top neckline. They will target this down numbers, but I'll see what happens with that. I will keep my alert right here, and I want to know what happens with that. When it comes to Luna recently had raised 1 billion, I think, so it jumped, but right now it's struggling. If we break Luna this low, this and this low, so this was a very good zone to buy right here, demand zone, because this is where the rally started. So yeah, if it breaks this, comes lower, that's fine. I don't know where. Oh my gosh, Ross is dropping, crashing, everything. Look at this Harmony. Phew. So much blood in the market, so much. I didn't even see these charts. Chainlink, look at this, huge hype and nothing. I don't hold anything, guys. Omi, oh my gosh, Omi is, it's an amazing project. It never caught the hype it should have. It never made it to the hype. Shiba, if Shiba breaks this low, boom, here we go. And next time to accumulate Shiba is down here, as where it bounced, jump from right here. Let it consolidate and then buy into it, some of it. I don't know why people don't close code average in shitcoin. They always, if you see a Dogecoin, it always repeats the same pattern. Mana, they all have this low to be broken and then the game over. CRO good token, but it was too much in hype. Anything that goes in hype, game over for that once the pump is done. Dot, oh my god, Dot is back at May drops. Okay guys, I think well, I lost my mouse battery is finished. Thank you very much for watching, guys. In this video I've explained as much as I could. I don't want to complicate things. The war is going on. There's because Russia controls a lot of oil and gas price, so that provides a lot in Europe. That's why they're affecting gas prices as well and oils, because there's going to be reduction in supply, so the prices will go much higher. In my opinion, already $100, oil is $100. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.